Welcome to Lesson 24 of PropLead's Wholesale Real Estate Mastery. In this lesson, we are covering door knocking and 10 DLC compliance for text campaigns. By the end, you will be able to execute a door knocking campaign with the right script, register for 10 DLC to send compliant bulk SMS to, and understand TCPA regulations and the legal risks of why door knocking still wins. In an era of automated dialers and AI-powered outreach, it might seem counterintuitive to talk about knocking on strangers' doors, but door knocking on targeted government data lists consistently ranks as the highest ROI lead generation activity available to wholesalers, particularly those working with limited marketing budgets. Here's why. When you show up in person, you eliminate every barrier that kills a phone call. Building your door knocking system. Step 1. Prepare your route. Don't knock randomly. Pull your government list, map the addresses in a tool like Google Maps or Badger Maps, and cluster your visits by neighborhood. A focus route of 20 to 30 addresses in a single area is more productive than driving 40 minutes between appointments. SMS text campaigns. High volume, high risk, high reward. Text messaging is the second highest ROI outreach channel for wholesalers. Response rates for targeted SMS campaigns to motivated seller lists typically range from 3% to 8%, compared to under 1% for cold email. But unlike door knocking, which carries no regulatory risk, texting to bulk lists is governed by federal law and violations are expensive. TCPA compliance, what every wholesaler must know. The Telephone Consumer Protection Act, TCPA, is a federal law that regulates how businesses can contact consumers via phone and text message. The penalties are not abstract. They are $500 to $1, $500 per violation, and each individual text message to a non-consenting recipient is a separate violation. Send 200 non-compliant texts, and you're looking at potential liability of $100,000 to $300,000. 10 DLC registration, the non-negotiable step. 10 DLC stands for 10-digit long code, the standard local phone numbers, area code plus 7 digits, used for business text messaging. In 2021, major carriers including AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon implemented mandatory registration requirements for any business sending bulk SMS through 10-digit numbers. If you send bulk text from an unregistered number, carriers will filter or block your messages, meaning they never reach the practical move is to turn this lesson into action. Pull at least 2 government lists from register your business brand with the draft your 3-message SMS sequence. Keep the focus on measurable activity, not just more learning. Here's the recap. Door knocking on government data lists. Probate, tax, 10 DLC registration is mandatory for bulk SMS campaigns. TCPA violations carry fines of $500 to $1, $500 per individual. In the next lesson, we will cover building rapport and uncovering seller motivation.